The heaven isn't far. Have you seen someone with begging this way?
Hey, just relax. What's wrong with you?
I'm feeling so
What happened?
Oh my God! Someone stole my bag. I had it in my hand.
How can someone take bag from your hand? Impossible.
You see, someone came to me as if he knows me, and then he took it from me like this, and then he turns back and tried to go slow, and then. See you in heaven. Let's meet at No Stress Pub this evening. Okay. I love you so much.
Really?
So much. That's why I will give you everything you want.
Wow. Like what? What?
For example, if you feel headache, I'll give you another head.
Are you going to kill me?
But no, I'm just showing you how much I love.
Okay, understood.
Please, babe. I'm out joking, I'm just joking. Can you come here again? I'm going to tell you a new story.
Which one?
Okay, please listen. Yesterday, I had a dream. I saw myself in America.
Nope.
In Miami.
Nope.
In beaches.
Nope.
That's great. Last night I had a dream.
About what?
Seeing myself with a lot of money in my hands.
A lot of money?
Yes.
Why didn't you call me to come and enjoy it together?
No, you were in America.
In America? I was there. You didn't want me to come and enjoy your money. I'm going. Stay alone, I'm going.
Please, babe, come back. Come back. I have a surprise for you.
A surprise?
Yes.
Okay. So, honey, which surprise do you have for me?
I told my parents about it. They want to see you.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
I will come. Hey, where are you going? To the market. You see me coming here and asking me where I'm going?
First, who are you and who are you coming to see here?
How can you dare to ask such stupid question to a man dressed like me?
I know nowadays things can wear like you.
Are you calling me thief? Me thief?
I just said you look like a thief. Sometimes they look like you in dressing.
Do you know who I am?
I don't care who you are, where you from, and what you do. Just leave this place. Just leave. Just leave. Leave.
What are you doing? Do you know him?
Yeah, I know him.
What?
He deserves respect.
It was at this moment he knew.
What about him? Welcome.
Thanks.
The surprise for you.
Okay.
Here's my future husband.
Okay, show us, dear.
A surprise for you.
Wow, wonderful.